Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the March 2022 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, go ahead, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this box off the table so we can go through it. I have the what's inside card here that lists all of the items with descriptions. So I'm just going to set this here to the side and go through the box as is. So the first thing up are the March dashboards. And it says, our collection of March dashboards will help keep you feeling motivated to reach your wellness goals this month. Our cross-hatched dashboard features a front and back design and will serve as a reminder to focus on the good things in your life. Our wellness dashboard functions as the perfect section cover to layer over your favorite wellness inserts. So this is the cross-hatched dashboard. It pretty much just repeats well-being, is about the combination of our love for what we do each day, the quality of our relationships, the security of our finances, the vibrancy of our physical health, and the pride we take in what we have contributed to our communities. Most importantly, it's about how these 5 elements interact. And that just repeats several times down the dashboard. And then here on the back, we've got some textured material. So that's the cross-hatched dashboard. And then we have the wellness dashboard. Again, it was created in this thick vellum to serve as a section divider or section header. So these are our March dashboards. Next up, we have the Daily Wellness Bundle. As you can see, I am still getting my inserts in A5. And the description says, use our Daily Wellness Bundle as a way to track your physical well-being every day to ensure you're giving your body everything it needs. This bundle includes 3 months of wellness planning to keep track of your everyday activities and rituals. So let's flip through this. We have grid notes section over here and a wellness log. We've got a section for dates down the side, and then we've got some dots up here in the grid. The back side is dot grid. And then we have daily wellness, today's goal, check-in, sleep hours, amazing, good, okay, terrible. And then we have a section to track your mood. We have a section to track your water intake, steps, and then we've got a section for affirmations, notes, activity time, check it off as done, and then nutrition, your goal and the total, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and you should track your calories here. And then down here at the bottom, very light, it says, today was amazing, good, okay. And that is double-sided. And there are quite a few, like as stated, 3 months worth? 3 months worth. So that's the first month. Second month. And your third month of those inserts. And then, okay, we're back to our demo page, thank God. We've got a section of demo page that shows us exactly how to use the inserts. Isn't that pretty cool, y'all? I love cloth and paper for that. So these are this is the Daily Wellness Bundle. And the cover page says, growth doesn't always feel like you're winning. It's an unknown quote. So love that. Got our Daily Wellness Bundle. Next, we have an essentials pouch, and mine is a little dirty. It is what it is. Our essentials pouch will hold all of your daily necessities, whether you're hitting the gym or taking a short trip. This pouch slides right into your bag, making it the perfect travel companion. And it says that it's measured at 5 by 7. So you could probably get all of your sticker sheets and stuff in here. It's pretty cool, y'all. So this is the essentials pouch. Goodness, I'm getting ready to rename it, y'all. This is our essentials pouch. Next up, we have the overview tab divider. I love these tab dividers by Cloth and Paper. It's just another place for me to stick sticky notes in my planner, but I love them, y'all. I use them, so there's that. And it says the overview tab divider is the newest addition to our dry erase tab dividers. Use this divider to plan out the overview of your day, project, or routine. This divider is easily customizable to fit all of your life needs. So we just have overview in the white print on top. And again, it is dry erase, so you could use a dry erase marker on this dashboard. And that is our overview tab divider. The next item we have is the week overview notepad. And it says our week overview notepad takes our horizontal weekly layout to a new level. Use this notepad to plan out your week, your daily routines, or even your weekly meal plan. 50 sheets, and it's measured by 3.83 and 7.87 inches. So here we have a section for date to date, week starting, week ending, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it does literally look like the new horizontal inserts, which I love. I don't know if you guys are using them, but I love mine. So this is the week overview notepad. The next item is the half sticky note trio. Y'all, Cloth and Paper has me pretty spoiled with these half sticky notes. I love them. They are so functional to me. So these are wellness trackers, and it says our half sticky notes now come in a trio. These wellness sticky notes help you track your daily water intake, stretching breaks, and screen time for easy reference. There's 50 sheets on each stack, and they are measured by 1.5 by 3 inches, which is half of a 3 by 3 sticky note. And I love these, y'all. Have sticky notes, especially this water tracker. This water tracker and screen, I probably won't use the stretch, but the water tracker and the screen are gonna be awesome for me. So these are the half sticky notes. Next up, we have the wellness sticker set. I'm trying to see what this color is because I can't remember it off the top of my head. The Aspen, there it is, girl. You can't see. So if we can get it out, here we go. We always have to tear it a little bit with these transparent stickers because they like to stick to the packaging. So I'll leave it on here so you can really see it on the camera. So here we've got running, weights. That looks like a treadmill. That looks like a yoga mat, bike, doctor's appointment, medication, sleep, heart rate, and water. And then on this sheet we have drop stickers, hydration. So these would go perfectly in the water tracking section of the daily wellness bundle inserts. And then we have some text stickers. It says rise early, go outside, hydrate, relax. So this is the wellness sticker set. The next item is this window cling, and it says our new window cling is here for you whenever you need a pleasant reminder to keep going. Attach it to your mirror as a way to keep you motivated, and it's measured at 3 by 4 inches. If I can get it out of the packaging, I'm not even going to fight it. So it says life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. I like that. I might put that on my mirror in my bathroom. So that's our window cling. And then last but not least, we have our journaling cards for the month of May. Although this is the March box, you know we get our stuff 2 months out so that we have it when the month approaches. So this first one is an ellipse quote card. I'm not even going to attempt to read what it says. It's so tiny. But it's black and it looks like an ellipse. And then we have our clear May 2022 month view card. So those are the journaling cards for this month. Alright y'all, so here is the March 2022 Cloth and Paper Stationery subscription box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!